Today we will discuss about SAP FICO S/4HANA Enterprise Structure. So these are the notes that you should go through first before doing the practical. So you can see in SAP FI, before creating any ledgers and posting journal entries, some basic settings or configurations need to be completed. Now, what are the basic settings or configuration we need to do? Firstly, we have to do the enterprise structure setting. Secondly, financial accounting settings. And finally, general ledger accounting settings. So here I will show you about the enterprise structure settings first. So what is enterprise structure? It is the baseline for every functional consultant. It consists of definition and assignment. It shows the relationship between organizational units created in SAP. Now you can see, first we need to do the definitions. So here, how to define a company. The T code we use OX15. So here, first we need to do the create a company. A company in SAP is defined with a 6-character alphanumeric key and acts as an organizational unit in FI. Now there are two ways you can do it: using the T code, using the transactional code, and also using the navigation path. So here I will use the navigation path for your understanding, because using the transactional code is very easy, and also anyone can do it, but using the navigation path is a little bit different, and I will show you. So you can see there are some steps that how to define a company. So these are the steps. Okay, if you want, you can make notes from here, and then I will show you the practical. Okay, so let me show you the how to define a company. Let me log in my software. In my previous videos I showed you how to log in. Now here again I am showing you. So you need both user ID and password to have the login. So the server provider will give you the details. So my user ID I have, and also I have my password. Okay, now you can see this is the SAP Easy Access screen, where I will show you how to define a company. So the T code, first we'll put SPRO, enter. You have to click SAP reference image, and here you can go to enterprise structure. Now under the enterprise structure you need to go definition, and you can see in definition also so many options are there. So we will choose financial accounting, and then you can see define company option is there. So now what is define a company, that you can see from here, and let me finish the defining the company. Now we will define a company, so that means we have to go to new entries. Okay, now we will create a new company here. Say my company is like any company. You can create something different, like say I create Apple. Okay, because it is a 6 alphanumeric character you have to give. So here 1 2 3 4 5, and you can write one more apple, one more E I gave, and after these 6 characters nothing is accepted, you can see. Now company name you give Apple PLC, okay. Now give the address, any address you can give, something like I give Salt Lake City, postal code, any postal code you can give, something I give any postal code, and city you can give any city, say for example you can give Mumbai, something like that. Region, country, any region. Language you can give EN. Currency should be INR, because we are just creating a company in India. Okay, so after that you press enter. Okay, and also I'm checking the details. Yeah, everything looks okay. You can save the data, save it. Now they are asking that one request code should be generated. So we do one thing here. The company has something different, so we just create a company. Okay, now I save it. So you can see the code is generated, and then continue. So data is saved. Okay, so creating a company is done. So you can check that company is created or not. I show you how to check. Come out from the screen, /n, and what is the T code for defining the company? The T code is OX15. Press enter. Now don't go to new entries, go to position, and now here they are asking your company what we gave, APPLEE, then continue. You can see the company is created. APPLEE, company name is Apple PLC. So company is created. You can easily check from position. So we have created the company. Okay, now okay, now go to the second part. We created the company. Now one important point also here I need to show you, that for example while you are working in a particular server, and if it is locked by other user ID, say some other people is also working in the same server and they are working in that particular server, so that user is not allowing you to post any entry. So that time you have to clear the user IDs. So you have to that server locking should be opened. You have to unlock the server. So how to do it, I show you. So the T code for that, ASM12. ASM12 is the T code. Enter. Now you can see here, remove the username, give star, table also star. Okay, now search it. You can see some other people also working in the same server. So I will highlight everything and then go for delete. So everything is unlocked. So that means you can easily post, and no one is going to stop you while posting. Sometimes it requires, say for example, you are creating a company and some other user also doing the same thing. So that time they won't allow you to save the data. So that time you need to go to SM12, SM12 and clear and the server. I mean the unlock the server. Okay. So that is the thing, the server locking issue, how to open it, that I showed you. Now come to here. Now in the second point we need to define credit control area, and the T code is mentioned OB45, OB45. So credit control area is defined to grant credit limits to customers. It is defined with a 4-character alphanumeric key and also forms part of SD configuration. So there are some navigation paths there, so, and these are the steps. Okay, so I will show you now how to do it, how to define the credit control area. Okay, open the software, go to SPRO, reference, SAP reference image, and then go to Enterprise Structure, and then you need to go for definition. Okay, yeah, and then you have to choose financial accounting, and here you can see the second option, define company. Already we have done it. Now define credit control area. They are asking that how to define the credit control area. Anyway, we can open it. And you can see there are some options here, new entries and position, because we are doing this is the first time, so that time we need to go to new entries only. Okay, now click on new entries. Now they are asking credit control area, and it should be 4-character alphanumeric key. So it should be similar to our Apple, like A, P, CC. So this is our credit control area. This is for our Apple company, APCC. Okay. Now the currency obviously INR. It is Indian rupees. Okay. Now you can see data for updating SD. Update. You need to choose 1, 2, 3, 4 times 0, 1, 2. So this is the one we have to choose. 4 times 0, 1, 2. This is open order value, on time axis, delivery, and bill document value. So for this credit control area, we need to choose this. This is the standard update data. And then FI variant should be V3, because April to March is this posting period, and there are there would be another 4 special periods. So V3 we have to choose. And these are not mandatory. Default data, risk category, credit limit, this is not mandatory. Only those things, your credit control area and currency update you have given, and financial year variant V3. Okay, enter. They say it an entry already exists. Okay, so we need to change it then. APPC should be there. Enter. Yeah, it is available. And save the data. Okay. And we need to also note it down. 1 minute. Yeah, save it. Data is saved. Okay. So our company name, I just noted down for future reference. Credit control area, we give APPC, right? Okay, fine. So this is done. We are done. And then you can go back from here. Yeah. So it should be open so that we can easily do the next step. Now you can see we are done with the second point, define credit control area. And the T code is OB45. With the T code also you can easily go and enter. Now the third point is define business area. So this is another T code, that is OX03. OX03 is the transactional code. Now business area means branches or locations of an organization. It is defined with 4-character alphanumeric key. And what is the menu path? So this is the navigation path. That's how you can do it. And the steps of defining business area is also given here. So we'll do it now. The third step, define business area. Okay, let me open the software, and you can see define business area is already here. We have done define company, we have done define credit control area. Now the fourth one, the third one we will do it later. Now here define business area. So this is the one we are looking for. Okay, now here again 2 options are there. One is new entries, one is position. Position will work when you already created the business area. From there you can easily find out what business area you have created. New entries means when you are doing for the first time. So we'll go for new entries because we need to create business area. Okay, anyway, so here the business area should be related to something like say we have given business area give A, it should be 4 alphanumeric key, right? A, PP, D. You cannot give any other key. A, PP is Apple, and D, okay, give me something different, DL, yeah, it is better. And the description should be something like so you can create unlimited business areas and also give the description. So we created only one for your understanding. So APDL, that one we gave that is Apple in Delhi. So you can note it down, business area is APDL for future reference. Okay, anyway, we have done this. Press enter, save the data, and then again with this request ID you can save it. You can click continue. So you can see data is saved. So that means you are done with defining the business area. Okay, now we are done with the third step. Now go to the fourth step, define consolidated business area. This is the fourth step. So the T code for that is OCC1. So consolidated business area means merging all business areas into one, like head office. It is defined with a 4-character alphanumeric key. Again 4-character. So this is the navigation path, and the steps also given that how you can do it. So already we have created the business area. Now we need to define the consolidated business area. That means with the head office. Okay. So we can do it now. Go back. So you can see here this option is given, maintain consolidated business area. So you can click here. Okay, now obviously we need to let's see how to we can go for new entries. Now the consolidated business area you have to give, and the description also you need to give. Say for example our business is in Mumbai, say. So what we need to give, like it is in Mumbai. And description you can give CBA means consolidated business area. Okay, so this is the description we have given. So we should note it also. Consolidated business area is APMI. Okay, now press enter and then save it, and also you need to continue. Here the company is correct, so we can continue from here. So data is saved. So we are done with the consolidated business area. Now what is the next step? Next step is define FM area, financial management area, and the T code is given OF01. FM area is defined to differentiate cash flows and fund flow statements. So this is the navigation path, the menu path, how you can go, and the steps also what you need to do, it is given. So so this one, defining FM area, we will do it now. 0.5. Okay, you can go back. Let's see. So you can see maintain FM area. So that is the one we are looking for. Click here. Okay, so here you need to define your business area. Now go for new entries. Obviously this is the first time we are doing. Now FM area, put anything like APFM, name of FM area, like something FM area. What FM area we have to give? Say, FM area, FM currency, obviously INR. Yeah. So our FM area, you can note it down for future reference. APFM. Okay. Now present. They are saying an entry already exists. Okay, this is already someone used it. Okay. Anyway, we'll change it. No problem. Give something like APPF. This is better. Enter. Yeah, it is available. So APPF is our FM area. Okay, I press enter and then I need to save it. So they are asking you need to continue. I said yes. Now our FM area is also saved. Okay. Now we need to do one more step for now. So some important point they mention: enterprise company structure consists of definition assignment. So we are doing definitions right now. Assignments we will do in my next video. So this is the final step for today. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. The key code is OX02. The company code is an important organization unit in FI, defined for internal reporting purpose. It is defined with a 4-character alphanumeric key. One company can have multiple company codes, but one company code cannot be assigned to multiple companies. So this is very important. Say here the Apple PLC can have multiple company codes. Under the Apple, so many units, so many subsidiaries is possible, and each subsidiary must have their own company code. But one company code cannot be assigned to multiple companies. So that is also correct. Now this is a navigation path and the steps also given here. Okay, so these are the steps for creating a company. This step is very, very important. You should learn it properly. Okay, now I will show you. Okay, go back. Okay. Now we'll go to financial accounting. You can see financial accounting is there. We'll go to financial accounting and let me see. No, it is better to start from the beginning, like SPRO, otherwise it will be complicated. Go to SAP reference image, and also we need to go enterprise structure now. Go to definition, and also here financial accounting is here. We need to choose this financial accounting. Now the option will show. You can see edit, copy, delete, check company code option is there. So click it and copy, delete, check company code. Double click this. Yeah. So that option not coming. I don't know why. Let me check again. Okay, we'll do one more thing. We can go using the transitional code, that is OX02. That is the transitional code. Yeah, now it is showing. For some reason the navigation path, the new entry is not showing, but when we used the transitional code, that is OX02, it is working now. Now you can see the new entries option is there. We go to new entries. Now see, we have to give the details. The company code. Company code means under the Apple company. Say Apple have their own IT business and some other AI business maybe. So Apple AI we can give, right? So yeah, 1 minute. It should be let me think what company code we should give. It should be 4 character, right? So company code should be something like A P P give something like give a PPL Apple, no problem. Company is like Apple AI. Say Apple AI. I gave the company name Apple AI, and the company code I gave APPL. That is fine. So APPL, and the company name is Apple AI. City I gave say anything in Mumbai, anything. Country choose India. Currency INR, and language EN. Okay. Now press enter and save it. You will find this new window here. The title should be company name. I gave a Apple AI. Apple AI is one of the subsidiary of Apple PLC. Okay, this is done. Country I should give IN, India. Other things are not mandatory. Language is chosen English, that is fine. Okay, so we can enter. Now they are asking, do you continue or not? Yes, I say continue. Yeah, data is saved. So that means we have created a company code successfully. Okay, now this is the last stage of the configuration to create a company code. We have created the company code. Now you can see some important point. Company ID represents the parent company and contains 6 characters. That what we gave here, we gave Apple PLC. And company code represents the child company and contains 4 characters. The child company is our Apple AI. Now assignments. Assignments I will show you in the next video. Thank you.